Alright, welcome guys. This is video number 3, I think. Yeah, video number 3. So, I get a lot of people asking me about humans. I draw a lot of animals, so I wanted to do some human artwork, human features, things like that. So the first thing we're going to do is eyes. I'm going to show you some simple eyes, and I'm going to show you how to make the pupils look like they're looking in different directions. It's really simple, but I see a lot of people they can get confused and not really put the pupils in the right position, and that's really important for your artwork, to make sure the eyes are looking in the right direction or looking to camera. It's a small tiny thing, and it's very finicky. Like you have to be sort of exact with the pupils, because that's what gives your character life and really builds your character from the eyes out. I'm not sure what that means, but you know what I mean. You can tell if a character's eyes don't look right. So I'm going to show you some tricks on that. Be sure to watch the video below, and if you want to support, please watch the video on YouTube, unless I just put this on YouTube. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But anyway, hashtag Summerschool. Let's get it started. I did it again. I don't know. Hopefully, maybe I won't do it in the next video, I promise.